Hello children, good morning to you all. Yesterday I have taught you about the adjectives and their noun forms. And you had an exercise on it. In your textbook you have an exercise on page number 97 which I explained you and gave in writing form also. Understand? Along with it some 15 adjectives and their noun forms I gave. Understand? So, I am going and asked you that you are going to copy these in your book. And today, I am going to give the sentences where adjective is used or the sentences in which noun form of the adjective is written. You have to write its adjectival form. In that dash, in some different way I am going to do, not the same as yesterday from the textbook. Okay. So, let us start. Our heading will be write the adjectival form of the underlined nouns. Okay, they are abstract nouns. Their adjectival form you have to write in the dash given. First one, the poor man. Underlined word is poor. Poor man was, sorry, wait, Ramu's poverty forced him to beg for food. So, yesterday gave poor poverty, kindness, like that. So, Ramu's poverty forced him to beg for food. So, what is the other form? Ramu was a dash man. So, what is the adjective of poverty? You have tried here. I think you know it. Please, even then I write. It is poor. Second is purity of water. Purity of water is essential for our health. We must always drink dash water. So what water you have to drink? Purity stands for pure. You must drink pure water. Here I am showing, but in your test note which I give in the typed manner, there I am not going to write. You are writing on your own. Please mind it. I will give under it mixed way. You should select and write. Third one is rouse, anger, spoiled his image. He must not be dash with anybody. So, Rao's anger spoiled his image. He must not be dash. Anger, it's an adjective form. How he has to. He must not be dash with anybody. Angry. So, first let us read these three. Ramu's poverty forced him to beg for food. Ramu was a dash man, poor man. Poverty, poor. Purity of water is essential for our health. We must always drink pure water. Purity, pure. Rao's anger spoiled his image. He must not be angry with anybody. Anger, angry. Okay. Like this we will write some two, three more. Fourth, Pawan has lot of strength he eats healthy food to be dash strong. Pawan has lot of strength. He eats healthy food to be strong. Strength, strong. Fifth one. The length of the rope was more. I did not see such a length, such a long rope. Length long. Okay. Our last one. My grandparents kindness made them popular. They are loved by everyone. For being dash kind. Okay. So my grandparents My grandparents' kindness made them popular. They are loved by everyone for being kind. Kindness, kind. So Pawan has lot of strength. He eats healthy food to be strong. Strength so strong. The length of the rope was more. I did not see such a dash rope. Long rope. Length long. My grandparents' kindness made them popular. They are loved by everyone for being kind. Kindness, kind. So this is one small exercise. We are going to get it in the form of typed matter without answers. You should same way. You are going to write the answers. What all 15 you have in your notebook, list of nouns and adjectives, what all 15 you have, from them only you are going to get. So you search and write answers. And don't be without writing. You must write. Okay. Now next topic for us, our today and last for this lesson. Is if E comes in the end, close is there. It's ing form. How do we write? COLS ing, closing. E we will cut and then we add ing. Okay. Then dine. E we cut and write dining. DINING. Time. E we cut and write timing. Okay. Same way, cycle, you want, you can take this also. Cycle. E we cut and write cycling. We are cancelling E and writing ing. Die. Cancel I and write dyeing. Means coloring. Lie. See you cut, right? LYING, lying. Here some small change we need to make. Choose. Choosing. Freeze. Freezing. This way, what we did, we have cut the cancelled E and wrote ing to it. So this exercise is there, page number 99. Write the correct ing forms of the words in the color. What we have to do? We have to remove E and add ing to them. Here, cycle slowly, like cycling slowly. Dye clothes, dyeing clothes. Lie on the roof, lying on the roof. Choose a gift, choosing a gift. Freeze the water, freezing water. In this way you have to write on page number 99 in the textbook itself. So this is all for today. Thank you children.